Hello, my name is Erik, and today I'll be showcasing the project Vision Control. So basically, if I show my hand and I move it, I can move the mouse on the screen. If I show another hand, nothing happens because it's already detecting my right hand. If I remove my right hand from the screen, it automatically switches to another hand. Okay, let's now switch to the right hand. So if I do this gesture, I'm able to click. I'm able like this to go and drag the windows wherever I want. If I let go of the click. Here we have a couple of folders. I can go and do double click and open them. With this gesture I can do a right click and I can do open with, move to bin. I can maybe click duplicate. Now the file is duplicated. I can drag it. I don't want it anymore, so I will right click on it and select move to bin. And now the file is deleted. If I, for example, want to scroll, I want to visit the website. Let's say I'm gonna go and open Brave. Okay, let's click here so you can still see my face, and I can do this gesture, and like this I'm able to scroll up and down and whatever I want. If I want to example take a screenshot, I can do this gesture and then I can go and take the, oops, I double clicked accidentally. I can go and do this gesture, hold it like this, and boom, I let go and it takes a screenshot. And if I want to take a screenshot of the entire screen and not just certain part of it, I can just close my hand and on the bottom right you can see the screenshot is being taken. Or like this, as I said, to take a partial screenshot. Let's say I want this, let go, and boom. So yeah, this is the project Vision Control, and it's been written entirely in Python using libraries like macmouse, MediaPipe, and many more.